Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I finally got the first Christmas set made and filmed, and this is it. And it's a nice, simple Christmassy set that literally anyone can do. So if you'd like to see how I achieved this Christmassy set, then just keep on watching. So as usual, I've already buffed my press-on nails, and I also applied some nail cleaner. And I am now going in with a nice thin layer of base coat. As you can see, I'm just scraping the last little bit of that base coat onto those nails. I think I was running out of that one. And then I am going into the lamp for about a minute, I believe. I like to pop it in for a minute. And then we can crack on and do our base colours. So for the base colours, I decided to just focus this set on a company called Semilac. So I decided to use only Semilac gel polishes on there. I mean, when it comes to base coats, when it came to the actual nail art, I did have to venture out to different companies because Semilac didn't have the colours I needed, or at least I didn't have them on me at the time. But as a base colour, they were all Semilac, and they are absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous colours from Semilac. It's a gorgeous red in the colour 317, and it's called Neon Red, and then it's a gorgeous, gorgeous colour 318, and it's called Burgundy Red Glitter. And guys, oh my goodness, that glittery red, it's absolutely gorgeous. Like, I'm literally speechless. The first day I got it and I tried it, I was beyond shocked. It's gorgeous. Like, I just feel like the camera doesn't do it justice. Like, you really have to see it in person of how beautiful it is. I'm honestly, guys, if you really like glitter, like glittery gel polishes, this is literally the one. And also, if you like red as well, then you're gonna literally fall in love with that color. And I believe Semilac also have different shades of that sparkly red. So if you prefer a darker sparkly red or a lighter sparkly red, oh my god, you guys need it. Literally need it. I didn't know I needed it until I got it, and now I don't know how I lived life without it. I swear I've already created like 3 sets with that sparkly red, and without a doubt I'll be creating more. I just, a colour and the gel polish I just keep getting drawn to is just so pretty. So going back to the video, I applied 3 nails with that normal red colour, and that's the thumb, the index finger and the pinky. And then the remainder of the 2, which is the middle finger and also the ring finger, I went in with that glittery red. That doesn't actually look as nice right now, but in person, trust me, it's gorgeous. And especially after 2 coats, oh my gosh. But for Semilac, actually, I love Semilac. It's a very good company. Their polishes are so well made. The consistency is always amazing. But for this red, the neon red that I'm using right now, I was very pleasantly surprised with how good that gel polish was. As you can see with the first coat, it's incredibly pigmented. It leveled out like a gem. Like, there's absolutely nothing wrong to say about this gel polish. I could literally skip the second coat if I really wanted to, but of course I'm not going to do that. But if I really wanted to, I'm rushing or something, 1 coat and you're good to go. It's so pigmented, leveled out so well, and it was actually such a thick consistency, which is maybe what contributed towards the color and how it leveled out. But it was a consistency I haven't actually came across just yet. And I've got other Semilac gel polishes and they're all amazing, but this one in particular was much thicker than usual, even compared to that sparkly glitter. It's not as thick, but yeah, nothing bad to say really. Just because it's thick doesn't mean it you know, applied any different. It was actually quite nice. It almost felt like I had more control over it almost felt like I had more control over it just because of how thick it was, and I was able to focus it in certain areas and stuff. So yeah, it's very interesting kind of texture and consistency, but I really like it. Everything will be linked down in the description that I have used in this video, or at least I'll try to link as much as I possibly can. So now that we have 2 coats applied, is going into the lamp, and then we can start working on our nail art. So for this video, it's very simple. The nail art is very simple. Anyone can do it. I'm pretty sure if you're even ever so slightly into nails, you'll have all the stuff I'm about to do and use. So literally anyone can do this. So what I decided to do is put some white gel polish on my little block, and then using a dotting tool, I decided to do like stripy lines going down the middle of the nail. And you realize that later on I didn't like it because I didn't make it like identical, which is kind of what I didn't want, but it kind of went a bit out of control near the end, so I did end up taking it off camera, wiping a bit, and then going back on camera and just fixing it up. So you will see what I wiped and how I fixed it. But I'm just doing those lines going down the middle of the nail, and that's basically gonna like mimic the kind of like coat that Father Christmas wears. And then we're going to draw on a belt, which is going to just complete the look, because right now it just looks like clouds or just random white lines. But after that goes into the lamp, we can draw the belt, and it's going to literally complete the look instantly. You're going to instantly see it, because right now it just looks like a hot mess. And as you can see, I also ended up drawing like a line going down the middle just to guide myself where the middle actually is, because when you're doing these lines, after a while you just kind of lose track what you're doing, and you just kind of like I did basically near the end, just lost control and just made it look a bit crazy. And also, if there's an area where you're not fully into, that's also where you can put the belt. So if there's an area you don't like as much, and maybe it's too late to wipe or you don't know how to fix, just put the belt over that bit and literally you won't be able to see. So as you can see, it's slightly wonky on mine, but actually when I look at it now, it doesn't even look like it anymore. So good days, good days. So once that one went into the lamp, or we'll put on the stand for now anyways, we'll be going into the lamp in a minute. I then took the ring finger and I applied some McCart Rhinestone gel, and I'll be applying those little Father Christmas gem things. I got them from Shein. They were about £1 for all of those, so massive bargain. If you guys would like some, definitely go grab yourself one of those. They also had different like kind of variations of those, different colours and stuff, so definitely a big win. So also with that one, don't know if you guys can see, but with the like kind of sunglasses that Father Christmas is wearing on there, it's missing one. I don't know how I did that. I don't know how I didn't realise that when I was placing it onto the nail, but it doesn't have one, and I didn't realise until I finished filming, and then I looked and went, oh, that's a bit funny. I did see like a little black piece like wobbling around in the bag full of those heads, but what a coincidence that I happened to pick up one of the ones that are broken out of the whole pack. Like, it was literally a full pack, so very annoying, but never mind. But now going back to the video with the belt, I went in with my nail art brush and some black, and I'm just drawing just a thick line going from one side to the other. That's going to be the start of our belt, and then once we're happy, we're popping that bad boy into the lamp, and then we're going to go in and take some gorgeous glittery gel polish, and we are also going to use that to basically outline, I don't know what it's called, the bit where you just clip your belt on. Oh my goodness, I don't know what it's called. But yeah, you know what I mean. You will see it in a minute anyways. So I'm just drawing that out, and I really liked the colour and the like sparkliness of this gel polish, but unfortunately it was a bit too sheer for my liking. So after applying one layer, I popped it into the lamp, and then when it came back out, I did another layer of that sparkly, I don't know what it is, almost like a rose gold, but maybe just a gold. In person it kind of gives me, it mimics kind of both depending how the light hits, but I feel like it was literally perfect for this belt. And yeah, so I did 2 coats of that one, and then after popping it into the lamp, we kind of just leave it there. We then go in with some top coat and we complete the set. So as you can see, it's very simple, very easy for people who are not too keen on spending hours doing the nails. Like, this is literally perfect, and it's got that awesome Christmas feel, especially maybe if you're dressing up for Christmas, for like a Christmas party. This literally set will be gorgeous and perfect. Or if you just like your hella Christmassy sets, like, this is perfect, literally perfect. I will be working on a lot of Christmas nails. I love Christmas, my favorite time of the year, and the fact that this is my first one, I'm so excited, because that means I can now go ahead and create more and more. But this is the only one I've done so far, and I will also be doing a variety of Christmassy nails, like ones that are full on Christmassy, like this one in a way, even though it's not as complicated, but it literally screams Christmas. And I'll also try and work on some more muted, still, you know, you can tell that it's Christmassy, but they're much more muted, not so in your face. So there will be something for everyone. So if you'd like to see all my Christmassy set, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'm sure something will be up your alley, or at least I will hope so. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna let you guys watch me apply some top coat, and I'll be back at the end to show you guys the results. Alright guys, so here are the final results. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!